In physics, we will be covering mechanical part 1, part 2, electrical and electromagnetic part 1, part 2. In mechanical part 1, we will be covering units and measurement, motion in straight line, motion in plane, laws of motion, work, energy and power, rotational motion and gravitation. In mechanical part 2, we will be covering mechanical properties of solid, mechanical properties of fluid, thermal properties, thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases, oscillation, waves. Under electrical part 1, we will be covering electrical charges and electric field, electrostatic potential and capacitance, electric current, moving charges and magnetism, magnetism and matter, electromagnetic induction, alternating current, electromagnetic waves. Under electrical part 2, we will be covering ray optics, wave optics, dual nature of radiation and matter, atoms, nuclei and semiconductor electronics. Units and measurement can be categorized under 5 groups: number of units and system of units, number 2 dimension, number 3 error, number 4 significant figures, number 5 measuring instrument. Measurement of any physical quantity is a comparison with a certain basic reference standard. The basic standard is called as unit. Physical quantities are of two types: fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Unit of fundamental quantities are fundamental unit. Unit of derived quantities are derived units. System of units has 4 system of units. FPS, CGS, MKS and SI. FPS is foot pound second, CGS is centimeter gram second, MKS is meter kg second. SI, International System of Units, cover MKS and ampere, Kelvin, mole and candela. Dimension of any quantity is its representation in terms of combination of 7 fundamental quantities. MLT, M for mass, L for length, T for time. Rest 4 is current, temperature, number of particles and luminance of intensity. Under error, we will be covering absolute error, relative error, percentage error, and combination of errors. Absolute error is mean absolute error. If a number of measurements are being taken, difference of each measurement from mean of these measurements are the errors. Then mean of all these errors is the mean absolute error. 3 steps are involved. Step 1, mean of all measurements. For 3 measurements, mean will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 by 3. This arithmetic mean of measurements taken. Then error for each measurement is measurement 1 minus your mean, or mean minus measurement 1. Then mean minus measurement 2 is second measurement error. Mean minus A3 is error for third measurement. Then third step is mean of all these errors. This is become mean absolute error or absolute error. Next is relative error. Relative error is mean absolute error divided by value of the quantity itself. Percentage error is relative error into 100 percentage. In combination of errors, if we have two physical quantities to measure and these measurements are to be added, then final measurement will be addition of the absolute errors of individual measurement. For subtraction also, result will be addition of these absolute errors. For multiplication and division of measurements of two different quantities, will be addition of their relative errors. For multiplication, addition of relative errors of both measurements for both quantities. For division also, it will be addition of relative errors of their measurements. Significant figure has 5 rules. Under significant, three rules. All non-zeros will be significant. Zeros between two non-zeros will be significant. All trailing zeros for decimal number will be significant. Rest will be non-significant. Under non-significant, we can say number one is all leading zeros for decimal or non-decimal are non-significant. All trailing zeros of non-decimal are non-significant. In measuring instrument, we need to find out least count. And pitch. For Vernier calipers, least count will be difference between one main division and one Vernier scale division. That is, least count equal to one division of main scale minus one division of Vernier scale. Pitch is equal to one division of main scale. Vernier calipers, if main scale has n division, and Vernier scale also has n divisions, and n1 and n minus 1 division of main scale will become n division of Vernier scale. That is, n minus 1 division of main scale will be equal to n division of Vernier scale. The least count will be 1 minus n minus 1 by n, which is equal to 1 by n of 1 division of main scale. For screw gauge, pitch equal to 1 division of main scale. If it has n number of divisions on a circular scale, least count will be pitch by n. That is 1 division of main scale by n.